Ooh, windy.
It is.
Yeah, it's pretty windy today. Very surprised to be saying this in September 2020, but Frank and I have stumbled across a live in-person RV show here in Lancaster, PA. So we were disappointed we couldn't go to Hershey this year. This one has a lot of safety precautions in place. Only 250 people can go in at a time. It's all outdoors. It's in a huge baseball field. So we're excited to go take a look. First up, the 2021 Solaire.
I think this is where I'd spend most of my time, Tori. Here in the theater seating. What do you think?
I like it.
And this has very nice size TV. And it's not too heavy for the size.
No, it really isn't.
No.
It's nice and roomy. I just feel like it's super long.
It is kind of long.
Ooh, look at these light fixtures stuff.
That's pretty sharp.
Ooh.
Bathroom's a good size. Turlet. That's really big vanity.
Next, we took a look at the Grand Surveyor 272 FLS. I'm kind of impressed by the Grand Surveyor, Frank. What do you think?
It's pretty sweet. He's got, he surveyed and he found a nice camper.
Seriously.
The only thing I like to see, because I'm 6'4", is barreled roofs. It's a flat roof, but it still has pretty good clearance. Okay. One second, I need to take a break.
Nice. That's my favorite brand of wine, the one by Decor and More.
Next one up is 2021 Surveyor 240 BHLE. This one's sweet. Would like to see some aluminum wheels. It's got a nice outdoor kitchen. Look at that. Has what you call a Blackstone grill knockoff, but it probably still does the same trick. It's pretty cool. Outdoor speakers, of course, LEDs. Love these steps. Lightbird steps. Oh, is this a Murphy bed?
It's a Murphy bed, yeah.
Okay.
It's kind of interesting how the bed kind of sticks up farther than the fake wall.
And it's got storage up top.
That is nice. And there is also bunk houses over there.
Okay, yeah. You'll notice Tori and I are not huge fans of bunkhouses because we have no children.
Yeah, we don't need a bunk.
No niños.
Our dogs are too big of babies, too, to sleep in a bunk like I would like.
So some things I always need is a big shower.
That looks pretty big.
Yeah, that would work with the skylight. I'd put up there. Nice dinette. Bigger fan of theater seats and couches, though.
Yeah.
But nice kitchen, good counter space.
Oh no, it is like a leatherette block.
Got some nice options. Decent TV. I would rather see the TV better. Kind of like how ours is.
I agree.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Coming downstairs.
Then we checked out the Apex 251 RBK. I'm going in.
Asdell.
Ooh, Frank,
This is nice. Ooh, I like that. The coloring.
Coloring's nice. Ooh.
Got the bedroom back here. You can access each side. Nice couch.
Very spacious.
Wow, look at all the counter space. That is cool. Dometic fridge. Looks like a propane electric combo, not a 12 volt.
Ooh, storage galore.
Oh wow, look at that. That is cool.
Oh, let me get out of your way.
No, you're good.
Okay. Sure, you get in there and explore that bathroom.
I could literally do a puzzle on my lap while using the restroom. That's how much space is in here.
We were excited to check out the Adrenaline 23 LT.
A very reasonably sized toy hauler. 23, 5,700 pounds dry weight, 27 grand show price. By the way, when they say show price, that's always the sale price you can get it for. People think they're getting a good deal.
Industry secret.
Industry secret.
Not in the industry. Ooh,
This ain't bad.
this is actually.
Pretty nice.
I mean, I'd be up here most of the time.
Yeah, they did something smart with the TV for once with the toy hauler. You know, the one big thing you lose with this toy hauler though is like it's very limited on the side windows, and you don't have any on this side. So if you're not using the party deck,
It's kind of dark.
not just dark, you can't open the windows and have a good cross breeze. It does have a fantastic fan though.
There's a window behind here.
Oh, there's okay.
Yeah, it's just behind the seat.
All right, so that won't be too bad. I like,
Backsplash.
yeah. You know me though, I like windows.
Yeah, I do too.
And obviously the toy hauler, they have these exhausts, so your fumes and everything when you're carrying your toys, aka motorcycles.
You got a walk-through bathroom. It's a nice bathroom though.
Yeah. I like these walk-through bathrooms too, because it's kind of like away from the bedroom, and if you have guests over and stuff,
Yeah.
they can stay in the larger room.
Spotlight. No, I don't know why you need that.
Some kind of show,
Liven things up, I guess.
I guess. So. It's nice tall ceilings though. Like even though it's not a barreled ceiling, I got a pretty good height on here.
Yeah.
This is pretty cool. Dometic. Ooh. Tell me it ain't so. Is this a 12-volt fridge? Tori, I don't think this is a propane and electric. I think this is actually a 12-volt fridge, which I like.
Ooh.
Could be wrong. That's what it looks like. You don't have the fins and stuff in the back. Yeah, wow. That's cool. It's a nice upgrade. This ain't bad.
This is not bad at all.
I love the party deck. Party people. See, now we're gonna mire all the campers in a circle, like the Oregon Trail. Pretty cool. It's $5 to get in, and they give you a $5 voucher for food. So Tori and I are gonna get our snack on. It's kind of a cool night. It's a little humid, but it's nice to walk around and be outside for once. So it's good to look for events like this. But a lot of campers here. A lot of good prospects, but Tori and I are gonna get some grub so we can keep on moving.
After dinner, we checked out probably our favorite floor plan of the show, the Spirit 2557 RB.
Yeah, it's a newer brand, but yeah, it's cool. It's got a lot of cool stuff, and it's got some sweet features on the inside, especially this floor plan. I don't know if you know what this handle right here. This pulls out on a magnet.
Oh wow, look at that.
A ton of
Oh my
storage back
God.
here. Yeah, so
Oh my god.
So we have a Shadow Cruiser,
okay.
but we have a smaller, it's just her and I.
Yeah.
But I like the storage.
Wait, can you shut that and open that again?
Yeah.
That's
That's so cool. I hope you don't mind me video a little bit.
No, go for it.
That way we remember everything.
Yeah, definitely.
Is that magnetic?
Yeah, it's magnetic.
I just had to be a man about it and actually pull on it. That's cool. Holy crap.
Yeah, a lot of storage.
That is smart.
Yeah, and then this is the other cool thing. I'll show you guys.
Okay, so it's a Murphy like ours. That looks like a full queen.
It is. That's the cool thing. Everyone thinks it's a Murphy, which makes sense, but it's a full residential 60 by 80 queen. So everyone's kind of got their storage, you know, right underneath.
Yeah.
Here, we took it a step further, and we've got it underneath the whole bed.
Wow, look at that.
So some more really cool storage for you
That's
guys.
cool.
Yeah.
That's smart. Vikings here, and then. Alright, so you just need a fantastic fan. But I like how it has the,
Yeah.
the barreled roof in here too.
Yes, that's one of my favorites, honestly.
Being 6'4" ain't easy.
Yeah. Yeah, camping isn't like a tall man's game, is it?
No, it's not.
Or campers, I guess, but yeah.
That's why I told Tori, my wife, I was like, we'd have so many more options if it wasn't for me, or if I was just a little smaller.
Yeah, but no, our ceilings definitely they're good. 83.5 inch to the peak, you know, so they're
nice.
tall. They're super tall in the middle here.
Oh, Magic Chef, huh? That's cool.
Yeah.
Gotta have LEDs.
Oh yeah, the little accent lights. But yeah, like I said, Spirit's it's a newer brand, but you know, with some of our cool features and stuff, it's making a name for ourselves for sure.
And what's your overall? Do you know offhand the length tip to tip?
Yeah, 29, and I think it's like 29.3 overall.
So you just fit in state parts and stuff.
Exactly. Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Kind of a perfect size on this thing. It's like 29 feet overall and just under 6,000 pounds. So it's
not bad.
right in that sweet spot.
Some other features we liked about the Spirit: a nice little pet center for your dog's food and water, a very cozy couch, and a nice big bathroom.
Calling our fishing pole storage. Right up in the pass-through. So.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Storage spot. Your fishing poles and other items up and out of the way.
Affiliate with the little dog leash things back here.
Oh yeah, for our 2 dogs. Yeah, sometimes you go to places and you can't throw the little thing in the ground.
Yeah.
And we don't be rude sometimes too, so yeah.
That's nice, because that's...
Now front fishing storage, would you say about 8 bottles of wine could fit in there? Ding 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 ding. I just had my first beer. That's not too bad.
Ever?
Ever, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're not around anybody, don't get upset about the math. There's a squirrel over there, but he's fine. When you see like the last letters, TH, that means toy hauler. BH, Bravo, Hotel. That's bunkhouse. MB, Mike Bravo, that's Murphy bed. Alright, or RB is rear bath.
Yeah.
So it took me like a year to figure that out. So if you're looking at campers, those last 2 letters usually tell you what the camper is or what it might have. And that's pretty standard. So if you think that way, you can kind of tell what the rest of the letters, what the story is.
And finally, to round out the night, we decided to pop into an R-Pod, RP196.
It's
Oh
light.
This is nice. Oh my. Okay. This is nice. Ooh. I kind of like the rear. This is, what, is this the rear? Yeah.
You know what my favorite part of this though is, Tori? This nice big couch, and we watch each other use the bathroom.
Oh yeah. That's kind of weird.
That's kind of weird, yeah.
So wait, dinette. I mean not dinette. Oh my god, a dinette would be weirder to sit and eat dinner and watch somebody
Here's the couch.
right in front of your bathroom.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know about this R-Pod. And then what's this? Ooh.
Maybe RP
Pantry.
stands for some like really weird stuff that people like, because I'm not staring into the bathroom all day. That was a miss. I'm sorry.
Oh, but look. Looks like your little closets have a little interior light.
That makes up for the peep show in the bathroom, I guess.
You got a big TV. I guess, I don't know. Just
No
close
way.
the door.
No way.
I mean, this guy approves.
Well, if you close the door, now you can't see it, but you can hear it.
Oh my, alright, that's... Alright, so we just finished walking through the Lancaster RV Show. It was pretty fun, and I kind of like it a little bit better with all the safety precautions. Now, we came on a Wednesday night, so, I mean, a lot of people aren't going to be here middle of the week in September, school night. Frank's hiding behind me. He doesn't want... Oh, there he is. But, like, we weren't rushed in and out of campers at all. We were able to stroll around. We were able to socially distance at a good clip. I would just say, pretty nice little RV show.
Yeah, we've been to some big ones like Hershey RV, Oak Center in Pennsylvania.
I like that one.
And that was nice too, but here's the thing. People are like 3 families might be walking in one camper at one time. You can't see anything. You can't really enjoy it. So I kind of like, even post-COVID, I kind of like the idea, like they had 3-hour windows that you can come. You buy your tickets, you come for a 3-hour window, and the maximum amount of people in the area for those 3 hours is 250. And there's over 200 campers apparently, so we would like almost never walked into anybody or were close to anybody. You know, you can see
I
me.
think like once, ow, you stepped on my foot. we need to socially distance from each other when we get my foot stomped.
If you can do me a favor, go down to the comments section, tell me what your favorite feature or camper was, and you know what, tell us what your least favorite feature or camper was during the whole process.
Also tell us what you thought of that setup where your couch was staring right into the bathroom. I want to know. Next week we have another little travel vlog for you, so if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to come camping with us next week, hit that notification bell. And you'll get notified every time we post a video.
See you next time.
Blonk.